You're gonna hold it like this.
Okay.
It's in the middle of your finger. The middle of your finger right there should be in the middle of that trigger. Not that way, not that way.
I got you.
If it's that way, you're gonna pull this way. If it's not enough, you'll push.
I got you.
So you want it directly in the middle of that part.
Center of my finger.
You ain't holding it up under it. You're just holding it right here.
Okay.
You'll take this thumb's got a little cutout right here, but this thumb will be just right here, and this thumb's gonna just be out here still, just like this.
Okay.
Okay, try to hold it.
All right.
Okay, you see it's on, ain't nothing in it.
So I'm gonna put center.
And you kind of want this right here, you want to get up in here. That's why I put that big lip on it, where it don't get your finger. You want to have your hand up in here, because that's the kick.
Okay.
I come up here, like if you lean up, I lay the flashlight on this just to make it steady.
Okay.
Now see if you can find the paper, like the right top target, that paper target, the top right one. See if you can put the little red dot right on it.
I can't see it. Okay. Yeah.
Lay it up here.
I'm on the neck.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now.
Okay. Now keep it right on there. Find it.
All right, I got it. Then put the center of my finger right on the trigger,
That's right.
and it's ready to fire.
And just barely squeeze it.
Finger to the trigger. Squeeze.
Back in the room, it's much too real.